Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up lines and grid lines in Notes on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So if you open the Notes app on your iPhone and you discover that the Notes app does not have any kind of line and you want to add line to the Notes app, then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. On the Settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Apps. Then search for Notes and then select it. Once you selected Notes, you want to scroll down the Note settings page. Just keep scrolling down until you get to lines and grids and then select it. Once you selected that, then come here and select the lines and grids you want to use on the Note app. So you can see we selected this. After that, close the settings page. Then go ahead and open the Note app. So start the new Note. Then you should see grid lines open on the Note. So you see that? So you now have lines and grids on your Note. So that is exactly how to set up lines and grids on Note in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.